Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Derek Smith, and today I'd like to show you how to replace the center roof seam on your pop-up camper. So the center seam is found on smaller pop-up campers with metal roofs. It's a transition strip that is joining the installation of the two roof halves. Underneath the vinyl insert, we'll find screws. To replace it, begin by removing the small screw, then pull or cut the old seal out. It's common that the old seal is lipped under the transition strip and held by this bottom screw. We'll remove this bottom screw. Use our 5-in-1. And free the rest of the insert from behind the metal strip. I've already done that same procedure to the back. And here I'm just going to pull the rest of the old tired seal out of the top of the roof. Next, we'll go ahead and clean up the inside of the track, and it's a good idea with a screwdriver to go ahead and check the tightness of all the screws that we find. We also want to remove any remaining bits of vinyl insert that we might find. A little loose, a little loose. Next, I'll take my 5-in-1 with the point end and just make sure both sides of the track are completely clear. Now it's time to install our vinyl insert, available at our website in multiple colors. For this camper, I've chosen white. Open up our kit. In here, I'm going to lift back underneath the transition strip first. So pulling it slightly forward, up underneath a little bit. And put that first screw back in. From here I'm going to start to pinch the vinyl insert slightly together so it accepts into both sides of the track. And it will just snap into place. And we're going to continue down the entire length of the roof. Okay, here I'm going to make my cut so I can lip it back under and grab this last screw. I'm going to feed it under And I'm going to leave just enough room that I can get back in there with the screwdriver and the screw. Pushing it up in the bottom gives me enough room. And feed it back in. That looks pretty good. Install this last screw, and that does it. And that completes the installation of the vinyl insert on the center seam of this 2001 Taos. There's another question I've been asked a lot over the years on the item we just worked on, and that's, can I caulk both sides of the metal rail on top of the roof? Yes, you can. If you do so, I recommend you use 100% pure silicone, nothing mixed with latex. If you pick it up at the local hardware store, it's likely going to be labeled kitchen and bath. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I hope you found this helpful. We'll see you next time.